Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install the Node.js version 22.14.0 LTS on Windows. Visit the website nodejs.org/en/download and click on the Windows installer MSI. This is downloaded and now I click on the exe file and installer has started. Now click on next. Read the license agreement and to continue accept the agreement and click on next. This is the default installation directory of Node.js. Click next and leave this. I will leave this as it is and click on next. Now click on next to finally install the Node.js. Node.js installation is started. Finish. Type npm-v and it is displaying the npm version. Node-v, so it will display the Node.js version. So Node.js v22.14.0 is successfully installed on my Windows machine. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.